Hello, it's Drew Embry with P&L Technology, and I've got a video tip for you today. A lot of times we're working on our computers and maybe a couple different things happen. Maybe we have an error message pop up that doesn't come up very often, but we need to let somebody else know about it, and the easiest way to convey this is with a picture. A common occurrence of this would be when you're working with a support company like P&L Technology and you want to get an exact screenshot of what's going on the screen to them. There's a great tool called the Windows Snipping Tool that can help you with this, and I'm going to demonstrate that today. So here, for example, I've got an error message up on the screen, and I could try to read this to somebody, but again, I want to use a picture to do this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start the snipping tool. I'm on Windows 8 today, but if you're on Windows 7, it works very, very similar. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and click the Start button here, and then on Windows 8, I'm just going to type snipping. And there you'll see the snipping tools found right away, and I'll click the snipping tool. It opens up the snipping tool dialog box where I can simply click the new button. When I click the new button, it'll pull up a little plus marker that I can put around the area of the screen which I want to snip. And when I'm done, I'll release my mouse, and now I've got that error message in the snipping tool. I can use this one of two ways. One is I could come up here and I could simply save the snip, so I could save it to a graphics file on my PC, or I could simply copy it. So I could go here to Edit and Copy. With that copy, then I can do really anything I want with it. I could paste it into, say, a Microsoft Word document, or I could paste it right into my email. In this case, I am going to use email, so I'm going to go ahead and start my email client here. And that'll take just a minute to start. Now, after my emails client started, I'll go ahead and click the new email button, and that'll pull up a new email window. Now down here in the body of the message, I can simply paste, so I could right click and choose paste, and there you see I've got that error message in my email, and now I can send it to the person I want to send it to. And I could click send. Really at that point, that's it. I've now sent that error message to somebody and they can see exactly what's going on. Another really cool way to use this is when making documentation in your company. Maybe you've got software products that there's some processes that you want to document so other people, maybe new employees, know how to use those software products. You can use Microsoft Word then to take screenshots right out of your software products and make the documentation a little bit better. So for example, I could go ahead and paste that screenshot right in there, and I could make it bigger, make it smaller, and then I could type my notes. And then use that to create great documentation for other people on our company. If you have Windows 7, it's going to work very, very similar to start it. What you're going to want to do is just click the Start button, go to Run, and then just type the word snipping, and it'll start just like it did in Windows 8 here. Well, that's a short synopsis of how to use the snipping tool. It's a great tool to use to create documentation or to do things like send error messages when you're working with a support person. Hope you find this useful. Have a great day.